Nowadays, there's some, I know, work is going on. That is the reason.
Mm.
Okay, fine, no issues. So, tell me, what are the topics we discussed yesterday?
See, yesterday we have discussed about the services
Services or
like
core product?
application, application gateway and the CDN database, SQL
Okay,
database,
good, good, good,
IoT.
good.
And in IoT, we have done that central solution and hub and data analyst and data warehouse, machine learning.
ADLA. So all the core services we have discussed already, correct?
Yeah, Azure Logic app, that for the workflow, like you told me that to pay phone, a CDMA, the like transaction, how it works, that's the
CDN.
workflow.
C, CDN we have
CD,
also, and also we have discussed, right?
CDN, yes, CDN also we have
Content
discussed. Now
delivery.
I'm talking about the Azure Logic apps. You said
Okay,
that is a
okay. Oh yeah.
workflow.
Oh yes, yes. Workflow for
Yeah,
workflow automation.
yeah, and Azure DevOps. What is DevOps?
Yes.
You told me that's a
It
bundle of
it
suite.
is suit of not do not use the bundle.
Okay, suite. It's
So
Azure
always
DevOps is a suite.
terminology should be correct. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So
Because
this
if
thing
you
we
are
have.
in if you have this kind of practice in the interview, also you are going to say the bundle. Okay.
That's true. That
Yeah.
is true.
So I am here to
I
correct
have to
you.
say, okay, thank you.
Okay. Just a second. Let me share my screen. So good. I am hoping that you are going to, revise all the concept. Good. That's good. So today we are going to create, first of all, create the storage account on Azure portal. Okay. See,
Okay.
so storage account. So the best way is what? First, we have to search the storage account in the search box, right? Click on that storage account. So see, this service is very costly. So I will create and delete. Okay. So in the same
Okay.
fashion, you should also do in your, because your is also pay as you go. Okay. So this is the dashboard of the storage account. Okay. And you can see that this is the create button, restore, manage view, all these, the almost it is same. Correct?
Yeah,
All other
yeah, yeah.
services. So no need to explain you once again, you know very well, right? So click
Yeah.
on create button. After clicking on create button, you can see that uh, it is going to navigate the page create a storage account. Okay. Here
Hmm.
we do not have the any resource group, right? So first we have to create the resource group, that is RG test 01, right? Our favorite name, correct?
Yeah.
After that, we are going to give the storage account name. So storage account name is always be in a small letter. Okay. If I'm going to put the capital letter, you can see that the field can contain only lowercase letter. Okay. But
Okay.
this is the not the case of VM and all. We can put in while creating the VM, we can
Hmm.
give capital letter also. But for storage, these are the limitations, right?
Okay.
So
This is
as
for reason for that.
they have the kind of, they set the validity like that in the Azure.
Okay.
See, developer have, whenever they are going to design the writing the URL or web page design, they have given this criteria. There is no
Hmm.
technical reason behind that. This is what setup.
Okay.
See, like in Azure, we have three types of cloud. In AWS, we have four types of cloud, right? So that is what their way of marketing, correct?
Yeah.
So storage, and this name should be unique in worldwide. Okay. So
Acha.
storage
Okay.
SYED Syed 01. Fine. It is taking correct.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay.
This storage is for the whole organization, right?
Yeah, you can use for whole organization also. Storage account is what? It is a, but I already explained what is storage account. To store any kind of data, files, right?
No, no, that I
Okay.
agree. For
Yeah.
suppose we are having a file server on prime. In the file server, we have given so many folders we have to create and we have to share as per the department wise.
Here also you can do that.
Same thing. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Click on review and create. Now click on create button. So it is in progress and it will take minimum 2 to 3 minutes sometimes. Okay.
Hmm.
So we should have the patience. So let it be, we can do in green, right? Now create Azure SQL database service on Azure portal. Okay. So see, I'm going to create one Azure SQL database, right? But I have already explained you there are multiple database service, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? So you have to
Yeah.
practice all. Just create and delete.
Okay. Okay.
Create and delete
So
because this is very
our job is
costly.
only to be create.
Your job is also not creation. This is extra. Only your job is what? Already it is created. You have to give the access. That's all through access control. That I will explain you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. This is what extra I'm going to, because when you are going to join the DevOps class, Azure DevOps class, in
Huh?
that you should know how to create the instance.
Hmm.
Okay. So that time I will not tell you how to create. That you should know that before that. Okay. There only how to integrate that. I will tell you. Getting my point?
Yes.
Okay. So this is what storage account. No, I was telling you that you can integrate any type of, you can put any kind of data, right? You can see the data migration also from on-premises to here, resource type. See, you can see that Azure blobs, Azure files, Azure ADLA, that is what local on-premise file and other cloud objects. Clear? So local on-premise file also you can store here, migrate here. Okay, clear?
Okay. And Azure blobs and Azure files, this also the storage, right?
Yes, yes, any kind of file and all.
All are
Okay.
same. All are same.
No, no, what you're saying, this is, see, inside the storage account, Azure blobs are there, Azure files are
Hmm.
there, Azure data lake storage. So ADLS means what? It is going to what? A structure or and unstructured, both type of data you can store, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yesterday I explained you, correct?
Yeah. Yeah. So it's four types of database you have got.
Yes.
Three types.
So that is what. Okay.
So
Here,
yeah.
so these all the, if you want to do, your job is what? Only how to create that. Okay. On the database
Hmm.
developer who are going to go into the depth. Okay.
Okay.
Security and all.
Hmm.
Okay. Understood how to create?
Yeah.
Okay. You can see that there are
I
some, you
can
can,
create other also. Na? This is what you have selected data storage. You have selected third one, right?
you can select anyone. Doesn't
Anyone.
matter.
That
Anyone. It's
okay.
yours.
That's what I want to ask you. Okay.
Okay. Now I want to go to the resource group and I want to delete because this is very costly database. Okay. So better to
Mhm.
delete the resource group itself because in the resource group there are so many items are there. Okay. So let me delete this resource. Meanwhile, it is deleting. We are going to create the Azure SQL database service on Azure portal. So for this, we have to create first the server also. So Azure SQL, just type, let it be Azure, or directly you can put SQL database. Okay. So this is the dashboard of SQL database. Okay. Clear? Same dashboard. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Create,
Yeah. Yeah.
user manage, view, refresh, and all, export to all, right? So all
Yeah.
these operations you have to perform. Okay, I'm just because I've already explained you for VM and all, right? So
Yeah.
you can do what kind of challenges you are facing. Let me know, okay? Because etc UI is going to change every 6 months, 8 months, 1 year, okay?
Okay.
So create SQL database. You can see that.
Hmm.
Want to try Azure database SQL for free? Create a free serverless database. Apply for premium, or either you can go to this, or either you have to create here RG test 02. Database name, suppose database sy Syed 01. Okay. Here we do not have the server, right? So we have to create the server. So give the server
Yeah.
name is what?
That is also
Server.
should be unique.
Yes, it will be unique only. See, the specified server name is already in use. So server Syed. Now clear? This is
Yeah.
what my way of practicing, because whatever the student name, I used to provide this.
Okay. Server dot Sayyad also we can put any
No
dot
dot,
any.
no dot.
Okay. Only single word.
So use SQL authentication, and our always, always I used to give the Azure user, okay, as admin.
Hmm.
Password you have to give. Click on OK. So after clicking this server, now we can click on review and create. And then we have to see cost. Understood?
Yes.
So that is the reason, just create and delete it.
But very less, no? The 120, 0.012.
Hey, 380 rupees, 398.
Oh,
Okay, and GST is extra in India. Okay. Okay. So whatever you are paying fee, also we have to put the GST. Okay.
see, you have created the user right here. So that is a separate user or the same what we have used the user before, the same user
Any user
while
you can give
creating.
the name Azure
No,
user.
no. Suppose we have created the user for the VM, right?
Yes.
Login user. So that the same user, or we have to separate user for this.
You can give the same also and separate also. What is the big deal? Why you are why you get confused? See, if you are able to with the same email ID and password, you are able to access all the portals of the organization, right?
Yes. Okay. So that's what I'm asking. The same we
Yes.
can give them. Okay.
Yeah. Different also you can put. There's no harm.
No, different. I mean, up username is only, suppose example, my username is Sayyad 01,
Mm,
my username.
mm.
I have only one user. But in the database, I can give Sayyad 02.
You can give the 02. But
Okay.
if
Okay.
you are going to access all the applications and services through Azure AD,
Uh,
okay, directory services, if you are using in your organization, then you have to give the same only one user.
okay. Now I got it.
So
And
deployment is in
authentication you
progress.
have
It will
given,
take 2 to 3
and
minutes.
authentication, what Microsoft Intra ID also we can connect.
Yes, you can connect any, see, intra ID you can use anywhere now, not only this Azure services, in
Okay,
AWS
that
service also, in Google service also, all type of service. Simple. One
intra
line
the
statement.
the Microsoft
Yes.
O365.
Yes. So it will take, 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, because database service is what? Little bit complex. So just wait for that.
Okay. So
So
now we are creating the database, SQL database. So after creating it is chargeable, it charges it started or what?
yes, after creation, it is going to start charges.
Okay.
Okay. Still it is in progress. Okay.
Mhm.
So meanwhile, we have to create one more item that is known as what?
Linux VM.
And we have to perform all these operations, right? So
Okay.
let me create. So it is created, right? Let me show you. So you can see that database. Okay, start your work with your database, whatever. Okay, connect to the application, configure access, whatever may be open, Azure Data Studio, whatever may be. Everything is what? Open in Visual Studio also. All are
Mm.
interlinked. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you can restore facilities also available.
Okay. If suppose I don't
Mhm.
want from here, I am having that Oracle is not there. Okay. SAP
Or
SAP HANA database we cannot connect.
SAP is a different cloud, man. SAP you are talking, right?
Yes.
So that is different cloud. Okay. See, connect option is here. Azure
Mm.
Data Studio and Visual Studio. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So
Azure Data Studio and Visual Studio.
go to resource group,
Okay.
rgtest02, and try
Got it.
to delete this.
So that much our job is administration is for the creating that and give the
Creation
access.
also, no, infrastructure team is going to create. Okay. Your job is what? As a admin, you are going to what? Give the access. That's all. Adding the user into the Active Directory and providing the access.
Okay.
This, but if you know in and out, then also in your organization you can guide to the infrastructure team, right? Might be he's
Correct.
not
Yeah,
aware
that's
how
what.
to do.
Very true. Yes.
See, it's better to get more knowledge, correct? That is the reason
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
explaining you. From you in the first class, you told me that I don't know anything about Azure, right? So that is the
Yes, yes.
reason I am going to give you all the information.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is done. Now we are going to do this. Okay. So Linux VM. So you can type the VM virtual machine. You can click in the create VM. Okay. Click on create new RG test 03. Click on OK. Okay. And VM name VM and Linux 01. And this is Ubuntu already. Okay. So I have already selected. Let us first finish this password. Azure user. Okay. Password
SSH
at
also
the
you
rate one
want to
two
see
three.
that SSH.
Also that will see in the lab, that is also there, right? Access through SSH, access through putty, access through username password. Don't worry.
And
All the
SSH
scenario we are
public.
going to. We are
SSH
going to.
public.
Yeah, yeah. Everything I am going to cover. Don't worry. Uh, Before SSH, let me finish all this. Then I will show you SSH. Okay.
Okay.
Everything I'm going to show you. Don't worry. We are not going to leave anything.
I'm
So
not
selected
worried.
mode, SSH port, right? Review and create. Once validation got passed, right?
Hmm.
Then we have to click on create button. So you can see that validation got passed. Then we have to click on create button. Okay. So it will take 30 to 40 seconds to create the VM. Okay.
Yeah.
So just wait few seconds more, then it will be ready for use. Okay. Then we are going to perform apart from SSH, we will finish all others. Okay. Then again, we will create one VM with SSH and then I will show you how to access. Clear?
Yeah.
So go to resource. These are what? Overviews,
Service.
how to access. Go open the putty. Fine.
Hmm.
Then we have to give the IP address. Click on open. Click on accept. Put the username. So I am able to access, right? Clear?
Yes.
Sudo apt update. So it means what? We are able to access and we are able to perform the activity also on the VM, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Close this. Okay. Now you can stop. Click on yes. If your VM is not running, okay, getting my point. If your VM is
Hmm.
not running, then you are not able to access the VM through putty. Let me show you. See, now you are not able to access. This scenario I have not written, but you can see that. Are you able to getting any option?
No.
Now got it?
Yeah.
So fine. Next is what? Stop, restart. After stop, you can start and then restart. Okay.
Hmm.
So you can see that starting the VM, then we will restart. Okay. Check.
Restart function means what? Start means the VM is start.
Restart means what? Okay. Sometimes we are going to restart our laptop, right?
Correct. Yes.
So similarly, VM also we are going to restart. So in the
But
restart,
once you
what is happening?
uh,
First it is going to stop, then it is going to start.
correct.
Okay. So
Yeah.
here, once your VM is at a start, running, once the status is running, then only you are able to restart. Okay. If it is a stop,
Hmm.
then you are not able to do the restart.
Correct.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay.
Simple. See, if your laptop is what? Shut down, right? Then you cannot
Yes.
restart.
Correct. Okay.
Same
Like that.
concept. This is also VM, that is also VM, that is physical, this is virtual, that's all.
Mm.
Both are machine, right? One is virtual, one is physical, correct?
Both are same functions.
Yes. See, virtual machine agent is not ready. Okay, so it is going to restart.
Yeah. So now it's running.
Let me refresh. Now, right? So we have done all. Only that customize the dashboard, you know, right? And delete. Let me show you how to reset the password, right? Suppose
Okay.
we all are human being. If we forget, then we have to. You can see that settings, right? Yes or no? Click on setting.
Ah, yeah. Yeah.
After that, you can see that earlier it was in setting only. Some UI got changed, I think. You can make auto shutdown also, okay? Suppose after
Mhm.
8 hours, you are not going to work on this machine, right? So if you will
Okay.
use the auto shutdown, so the charges will be not applicable. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Once machine is shut down mode, so there's no charge hours not for that.
Yes. So
Okay.
you can see that in now they have put it from setting to help section. Okay. So in that way, you have to search. So reset password, click on that. Earlier it was in, no, uh, click on reset password. Earlier it was in settings. So
Okay.
yeah, username is what? Azure user. Now I'm going to change the password. Okay. Click on update. It is updating. Okay. Earlier the update option was on top.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the UI used to change. Okay. So don't worry, but concept remains constant.
Okay.
Recently, last month only they have changed. Okay. So you can see that ARM request is what? Completed, correct? Now, what we have to go? We have to go to home, go to VM. Now with the updated password, whether you are able to access your VM or not, correct?
Yes. With the updated
Yes.
password.
Yes. So let me check whether we are able to log in as Azure user, and okay. So you are able to access, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? Here it is asking username. Why it is asking again? Because we have changed the password. Okay. And we have
Mm.
written the root user, right? Sudo, right?
Yes.
Yes. So clear. Now, okay. And delete is what? Simply you can delete from here also, and you can delete from the dashboard also. Okay.
Yeah. Resources group.
No, no. Resources. Individual VM also, and from here also you can see delete
Okay.
or button is disabled here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But if you are going to
Because
click
of
on
machine
VM,
on.
here it is what? Enable, right? Because it is showing for individual VM. But here this delete button is what? You can select multiple VM in a row. Okay. Here you can what? You can checkbox multiple VM and then you can delete. Okay. So let me select this and let me delete one. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So here you need to put delete word and you can click on delete and then click on delete. Clear?
Yeah.
Now go to the resource group and try to delete this. Because with the VM, we are going to create multiple items, right?
Yes.
Click on delete, delete. So it is going to delete. Clear?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah.
Now we are going to create the VM and going to access through what? SSH, right?
Yes.
Click on create button, click on virtual machine, click on resource group, RG test 05.
04.
Let it be 45, whatever maybe, right? This is for learning purpose only, right?
I'm just saying the
Yeah, yeah,
sequence.
correct, correct. You are correct only. So Ubuntu only, right? Here we have to select, it is already selected SSH, right? Yes or no? Allow.
Yes.
Review and create.
Okay.
Click on create button. So here we have to download the key, okay? SSH key. You can see that it is downloaded.
Yeah.
Deployment is in progress. Clear, right? Any
Yeah.
doubt?
See, I have one doubt.
Yeah, please go ahead. Tell me. Tell me what is the doubt. Tell me, then I will go next.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead. Your doubt.
Actually, it was disconnected to me. Now it's connected.
Yeah, tell me what is your doubt.
Yeah. See, I have created one VM with the same password. Later on, we can change it to SSH key.
You can upload, yes, in the reset password itself, you can see the upload, right?
Okay.
Just now I show you, right? In the reset password.
Yes. Yeah.
And that's all. See, more you will explore, more you will get the knowledge, okay? Because there are so many bits and pieces over there, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
The virtual machine is failed state. Okay, let me delete that. I need to create once again. Okay. Sometimes it will happen. Okay, so do not be. That is the reason I told you, right? We should, whenever we are going to work on infrastructure, we should have what?
Patience. Huh?
Yes.
Not in the cloud, in IT anywhere. If you are not having any solutions, then we have to leave it and we have to move.
RG test 06. Fine. VM test 05. Review and create. Okay. Deletion is not completed. Okay. Go to the basic, click on review. Sometime parallel option is what? We have not taken as a organizational, right? So now it
Hmm.
is pass, right? Same thing I have not changed. Click on create. So download the create resource. Deployment is still in progress. So we have to wait, okay? Couple of
Yeah.
seconds. So before putty, we have to convert this. Go to putty gen. Load the private key. Download. Just a second. Let me stop sharing. Maybe it is going to download some other folder. Okay.
Yeah.
Need to check that. share the screen and file, load the private key, go to download, the download. Why it is not showing? All files, select it. Okay. You can save as private key. Go to download. Linux underscore 05. Click on convert. Close it. So you can see that, right? The extension got changed, right?
Yeah.
Now I have to access through putty, right? Open the putty. Go here. Where is that PM? Click on copy IP. Give here. Go to SSH. Go to auth. Browse that. Download. Select this. Click on open. Click on open. In the portal itself, something is going on. Okay. The virtual machine is in failed state.
Yeah.
Okay. So provisioning state itself, it is what failed. Okay. So that is the network error connection timeout. Okay. So there is some issues going on, might be. So I was telling you, right? Sometimes you are not able to create, right? Just now we
Yeah.
are able
Yeah.
to create, right? Now it is
Yeah. Yeah.
failing.
Yeah. To
So
we have created.
yeah, we have created, we have access also, right? Now it is failing all the services. So let me delete. Need to delete one by one because we cannot delete the resource group. Click on delete. Let me delete this. Click on that. See, whenever you are going to work on the Azure lab and our practice, right? Best part is what? Always keep on remember your practice should be always creation and deletion. So that
Okay.
your resources will be minimal time on your dashboard, right? So the charges will be very less. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Our aim is what? To learn, right? How to create, correct?
Correct, yes.
Yes, that's all. So it is in progress, right? Might be some issues. Sometimes I told you, right? It will not
Yes,
going
yes.
to work. Okay. So let me go there, resource group and this. Okay. Still the operation is what? Why it is not going to? Okay. It is
Yeah.
deleted, right?
Mhm.
Now the issue is with the deletion also. It is taking so much time, right? So due to that
Yeah.
reason, maybe the charge will be high. Okay. So always be careful while using the portal. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Click on delete. Yes, delete.
But you have already deleted this one, maybe.
No, no, 5 I have deleted. 6 I have not deleted. Sometimes that is also happening, okay? If you will forget, okay,
Mm-hmm.
to which one is now you just by whatever region you just forget, right? Not else. So always whenever you're using Azure portal, always check your portal. There should not be any resource group. You can delete this also if it is available on your system. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
So don't worry, I will tell you the way I told you, right? How to access the same way you
Yeah.
are able to access. Okay.
Got it.
Right. First, you need to download the .pem file. Then you are going to convert with puttygen. What is the tool name?
Hmm.
With puttygen, you are going to convert into the .ppk file, right? Then
Hmm.
pp at authenticate. Let me tell you. Okay. You have to try this. Okay. From here, SSH and here auth, and you can browse that ppk. Okay. This one. This is
Yes.
ppk extension, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So then you can click on open and after giving okay. Clear? This
Yeah.
is the
Clear.
only way. Okay. So up to this it is done, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So tomorrow we will start from here. And this
Okay.
SSH key through that in you have to practice in your system.
I will do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Any
I will do that.
doubt?
No.
Okay. So let me stop recording.